occupier sentiment is I think, cautious still. On the office sector, I think it's fair to say that the time until decisions are taken for moves or prolongations are getting longer still. So a lot of analysis is being done and all costs are taken into account. Also, we see on the retail end much more caution. I think the big boom of expansion also in German retail space is gone because there are once not too many schemes coming to the market again, and on the other hand, also retailers have realized that it might not be the best idea to build a 60 million shopping center into a 20,000 inhabitants town. And that happened a little bit too often, and the retailers are now, after the big euphoria that they had when they occupied the space, are counting their numbers and their turnover, and they see that not all those decisions have been sustainable. And retailers that were very high on the expansion list and did 80 to 100 stores over Europe a year are now back to 10 to 15 stores. And that might be a much more healthy growth. And I think so on the occupier side there is not that that booming trend as we can see on the investment side.
Okay, good. Do you want to talk a little bit specifically about Germany on that?
Fully agree with what you said. We see it in the different sectors. Starting with the office market. You need to have a good product, best is the certification, and a good location. And if you see the tenants are prepared to pay good rents, especially when you're a law firm. But it's not easy. Exactly what Thilo said. You need to have the good price. You need to give the TIs. You need to give the rent-free period and the package and so on to rent up. And there are a lot of assets out where the good location and from the 70s. 60s, 70s are very difficult to lease up for any price. So that's a thing. And in retail, I also agree what Thilo said. When you have big retail parks, the retailers are very pushing hard on the rents and to renegotiate the lease. So that's exactly when the decentralization in Germany is still there. And on the occupier market, you need to have good assets in good locations. Otherwise, although the economy is in a good shape, there's pressure on this side.